Every year, countless hikers venture into the wilderness without an emergency plan, and sometimes, this costs them their lives. If you're looking to explore the great outdoors, you might wonder how to prepare if you don't know where to start. Thankfully, Amazon offers a wealth of tools for these situations. Today, we're going to show you some powerful survival devices that could truly save your life in the wilderness. Stay with us, because even a single right gadget can be the difference between life and death. All product links are in the description below. Number 30. ExoTac Complete Repair Kit. This compact kit is an outdoor problem solver. It includes over 60 feet of tough braided synthetic cord, perfect for repairing gear, crafting tools, or even setting up an improvised fishing line. You also get a 50-inch roll of heavy-duty repair tape, ideal for patching holes, acting as an emergency bandage, or even serving as tinder to start fire. Plus, there's a 6-inch sail needle that doubles as an awl for heavy-duty sewing repairs. Lightweight and incredibly versatile, this gadget ensures you're always ready for unexpected outdoor challenges. Number 29. Zoleo Satellite Communicator. When you're miles beyond cell service, staying connected can be a matter of life or death. The Zoleo Satellite Communicator links with your smartphone to send texts and emails via satellite, Wi-Fi, or mobile networks, always choosing the most cost-effective option available with a service plan. In a true emergency, you can trigger an SOS signal with your GPS location to a 24/7 emergency response center. It also provides a personal SMS number and email for others to contact you. Built for durability with an IP68 rating, it offers over 200 hours of use on a single charge. Monthly plans start at just $20, offering critical reliability for all your outdoor adventures. Number 28. Survival Emergency Tent. You can hold this emergency tent in one hand, but it protects two people from the harshest elements. Made from tear-resistant polyethylene, it reflects 90% of your body heat back to you, keeping you warm in freezing conditions. Weighing just 8.7 ounces, it packs down into a tiny stuff sack. Its versatile design allows it to be pitched between trees or used as an emergency sleeping bag. It even includes survival tools like a 120 decibel whistle and paracord, making it an essential piece of any outdoor excursion. Number 27. Full Tang Survival Axe. This axe is a brute force problem solver for both emergencies and everyday outdoor tasks. It features a heavy-duty steel handle with a built-in pry bar for added utility. The blade is crafted from high-carbon SK5 steel with a powder coating and deep grind for superior strength. The rear spike can bust through cinder blocks and easily cut through wood or drywall. At 11 inches long and weighing about 2.2 pounds, it comes with a thermoplastic sheath for secure, easy carry. Number 26. The Friendly Swede Survival Fire Starter. Starting a fire quickly is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling. This small survival fire starter is designed to ignite flames in any weather condition. Its 4-inch ferro rod produces incredibly hot sparks, up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it effective for emergencies, hiking, or camping. The striker is made from durable steel. Number 25. Milwaukee Fastback Retractable Folding Knife. A reliable cutting tool is non-negotiable in the wild. This retractable utility knife is built for durability and safety, featuring a folding blade for easy storage and one-handed opening. Its all-metal construction is tough enough to withstand drops and impacts, making it ideal for demanding tasks. It includes a Carbon Max blade that lasts up to 24 times longer than standard blades, maintaining its sharpness for extended periods. The dual locking system adds an extra layer of security, preventing accidental openings. Number 24. Grabber Hook Capsule. This tiny capsule, about 2 inches long, fits easily onto a keychain. It features a screw-top lid that securely holds cash, pills, or other small valuables. Crafted from tough titanium, it's designed to withstand damage. A special seal keeps water out, protecting your belongings. Plus, it includes 3 detachable prongs that transform it into a mini grabber hook, useful for retrieving dropped items, securing fishing gear, or even as a self-defense tool. It can support up to 130 pounds and also functions as a toothpick. Number 23. Uncharted Supply Company. Rapid Raft. This small, reliable raft is designed for quick deployment in various situations. It's lightweight for easy transport yet strong enough for tough conditions. Made with waterproof seams and durable materials, it's ideal for fishing, camping, or emergency water crossings. Assembly is simple. Unbuckle, unroll, and inflate. After use, it folds and rolls up, secured with a buckle. A one-way valve allows for easy air pressure adjustment. Despite its lightweight design, it supports up to 400 pounds. Number 22. Luminade PackLite Max Solar Charger. Light and power are critical when off-grid. This inflatable solar lantern is perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. With dimmable brightness settings, it offers up to 600 lumens in turbo mode and can last between 2.5 and over 130 hours, depending on the setting. It recharges via both solar power and USB. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours via USB or 24 to 30 hours in the sun. The lantern is waterproof and floats, making it highly versatile. It includes 2 ports for charging phones. Number 21. Sunflame Solar Survival Lighter. This lighter harnesses solar energy to quickly ignite almost anything, even in challenging conditions. By using mirrors to concentrate sunlight, it creates an instant spark. It requires no gas or refills, making it an eco-friendly option for camping. Lightweight and reliable, it's easy to carry and use whenever you need it. Number 20. EcoFlow Portable Power Station. When power is out, the EcoFlow keeps your home or outdoor adventures running. It charges rapidly, reaching 80% in under an hour using solar or AC power. With its long-life battery, you can expect up to 3,000 charge cycles, making it more cost-effective than many alternatives. With expandable capacity, you can increase its storage as needed. It can power most household devices, even high-wattage appliances. Number 19. Survival Multi-Tool Hammer. This versatile tool combines 13 essential functions in one rugged design for outdoor adventures. It includes a hammer, wire cutters, a hex wrench, bottle opener, saw blade, screwdrivers, and more, making it indispensable for camping, hiking, and DIY projects. Its non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even with sweaty hands, and safety locks keep each tool fixed when not in use. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. Number 18. Bear Horn Survival Whistle. This ultra-loud survival whistle is designed to cut through chaos, emitting a piercing 125 decibel alert that can be heard over half a mile away. Its unique single-tube design withstands extreme conditions like hurricane-force winds, mud, ice, or heavy rain without losing effectiveness. Crafted from durable brass, it's rust-proof, submersible, and corrosion-resistant. Number 17. Survival Needle Nose Pliers. This 12-function multi-tool is a practical solution for those who need versatility on the go. It includes needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a folding knife, scissors, a bottle opener, and more, combining convenience and durability. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, it withstands daily use and demanding conditions. With a butterfly opening and locking system, tools remain secure when not in use. At just 2.75 inches closed and weighing over 2 ounces. Number 16. CRKT Gun Tool. This 19-function multi-tool is designed to accompany your firearm, making it indispensable for any gun enthusiast. It includes small Allen wrenches for laser sight adjustments, a disassembly punch, and other critical functions. It fits easily into a magazine pouch, ensuring you're ready for any unexpected task, whether at the range or in the field. This tool offers quick solutions, is easy to transport and use. Number 15. Carabiner Multi-Tool. This heavy-duty carabiner multi-tool is essential for any outdoor enthusiast. It combines several tools into one compact attachment, including a folding knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, screwdrivers, bottle opener, can opener, and a ruler. The rotating lock mechanism keeps it firm and secure, making it ideal for climbing and adventures. Its versatile design makes it easy to attach to a backpack, keychain, or belt. Number 14. Borrowit Rechargeable Lantern. Light is essential for night navigation and emergencies. This rechargeable lantern offers 6 lighting modes, including a powerful front spotlight that reaches up to 1,500 feet and a floodlight with red and white light options. Ideal for camping, hiking, and emergencies. It features an upgraded handle and hanging design for easy use. With a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides 7 to 10 hours of light. Number 13. Maxpedition Gear Falcon 2 Tactical Backpack. Your pack is your lifeline. Crafted from 1000D ballistic nylon with a Teflon coating for water and abrasion resistance, this tactical backpack has a 36-liter capacity and multiple pockets for organization. It includes a detachable waist pack for quick access to essentials. Its padded shoulder straps and adjustable sternum strap make carrying heavy loads comfortable. Number 12. SOG Tactical Tomahawk. Designed for power and precision, this 15.75-inch tomahawk features a sharp stainless steel blade that cuts quickly and accurately. Lightweight yet robust, it's ideal for survival situations and emergency use. With a sleek black finish, it withstands demanding conditions. It includes a ballistic nylon sheath with a belt clip for secure, easy carry. Equipped with a flat edge for hammering and a spike for piercing. Number 11. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus wood burning and powered generating stove. In an extreme situation, staying warm and cooking can be a matter of survival. The BioLite Camp Stove is essential. It not only helps you start a fire for cooking or warmth, but also converts heat into usable electricity. It features a built-in 3200 mAh battery that stores generated energy, allowing you to charge your phone. Plus, an integrated lamp illuminates your surroundings. Number 10. Bear Horn Safety Horn. If you're venturing into bear country, this small safety horn can help keep you safe. It emits a powerful 120 decibel sound that can be heard over half a mile away. Useful for scaring off animals. Weighing less than 3 ounces, it's easy to clip to your backpack for quick access. It features a drop-resistant ABS casing and includes a built-in compass and thermometer for outdoor use. It offers 3 sound modes. Number 9. Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler. Designed for convenience and performance, this cooler features a patented zipperless lid that opens quickly for easy access to your food and drinks. It keeps ice cold for up to 2 days and holds 16 cans, perfect for picnics, outdoor events, or trips. Its hardliner with a smart shelf allows you to separate hard and soft foods, keeping them intact. With a comfortable adjustable shoulder strap and a water and stain-resistant exterior. Number 8. Survival Walking Stick. This walking stick is a multi-purpose survival tool. It includes 2 LED light modes, providing up to 400 lumens for night activities and a flashing light for emergencies. It's equipped with a 12,000-volt electric shock function, making it an effective self-defense tool. Additionally, it features an integrated USB port for charging devices and a USB fan for cooling during hikes. With a solar panel for recharging. Number 7. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Access to clean water is paramount. This portable water filter effectively removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria, like E. coli, and parasites like Giardia, ensuring safe drinking water wherever you are. It also filters microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. With a lifespan equivalent to 1,000 gallons of purified water, it's a reliable tool for your survival kit. Number 6. Atomic Bear Survival Bracelet. Stay prepared for any outdoor situation with this rugged survival bracelet. It combines 4 indispensable tools into one lightweight piece: an integrated fire starter, a compass, an emergency whistle, and roughly 11 feet of strong paracord. Use the cord to secure items, improvise shelters, or make quick repairs in the wilderness. The fire starter easily ignites to keep you warm, the whistle signals for help, and the compass keeps you oriented. Adjustable and durable. Number 5. Survival Shovel. This shovel features a locking system that allows you to adjust the head to various angles with one hand. Crafted from tough martensitic steel, it withstands extreme conditions, including saltwater and low temperatures. It includes multiple functions: shovel, axe, saw, fire starter, whistle, bottle opener, rope, and more. The handle is made from thick aircraft-grade aluminum with a non-slip grip. It extends from approximately 2 feet to nearly 3.5 feet and folds into a compact pouch. Number 4. Solar kettle. Using the sun's power, this kettle can boil up to half a cup of water, reaching near boiling temperatures in about 45 minutes, depending on sunlight. Lightweight and durable. It's made from shock-resistant tempered glass and strong ABS plastic, making it easy to carry in a backpack or emergency kit. Its compact size makes it ideal for personal use, cooking, making coffee, or simply boiling water in the wilderness. Number 3. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. Powered by the global Iridium satellite network, the InReach Mini 2 offers two-way messaging, SOS alerts, and location tracking. Even in remote areas without cell coverage, it supports multiple GNSS bands for precise location and includes sensors for altitude, weather, and direction. Its color display shows detailed topographic maps, and with Wi-Fi, you can download additional maps and sync routes with your phone. Number 2. Gerber Gear Stakeout Multi-Tool. This 11-in-1 tool includes everything you need: a plain edge blade, a 10-stake puller, a saw, scissors, and even a ferro rod for starting fires. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's lightweight and designed to last, ideal for outdoor adventures. Its slim design allows it to be easily clipped to a carabiner or stored in your pocket for quick access, whether camping, hiking, or performing everyday tasks. Number 1. Nature Hike Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent is ideal for 2 to 4 people, perfect for camping with a Jeep, SUV, van, or truck. It sets up quickly in just 30 seconds, allowing you to spend more time enjoying nature. It's built to last with a robust high-density ABS shell and stainless steel, capable of withstanding harsh weather. That's all for today. Tell us which gadget caught your eye the most. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time from Top Buy Lab.